Hey guys, what's up? It's Miguel, and I'm having like a really bad day today, cause I'm just getting hurt everywhere. Like I was trying to cook some stuff and I got burned. Then I was walking to get my camera, and I just tripped on something. My finger really hurts now. Well, not my finger, my toe. So yeah, I'm using Javi's angle, cause I'm really fucking lazy. But the only question I remember was that question about poetry. And I like poetry. I'm trying to do like poetry style stuff on my channel. I have like 3 things like written already, but I'm just too lazy to film it. Yeah, that's the only question I remember. Sorry, Brittany. I think I may have a virus to my computer, cause ads just keep randomly popping up. Like I have nothing open, and I just have an ad, something telling me to buy freaking a new antivirus for my computer, which I already have one, so I don't know if that's a virus. But yeah, so Chanel, you have way too many Michael Jackson stuff. Like seriously, I don't even have that much stuff. I think those are the questions for this week. That's all I remember. And apparently when I have to do stuff, I don't do it. But when I don't have to, I do it. As you all know, and you hate me for this probably, I'm part of a second collab channel, Great Videos and More. So I forgot to watch older videos last week, because I usually watch them before I do my videos on Monday. I wasn't supposed to make a video this Monday, but I still did. So I got like, as soon as I posted that, the next day I had like 20 videos of people telling me that I posted on the wrong day, that we were taking a break, which was pretty funny to me for some reason. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My arm really hurts from holding this camera. I'm running out of battery, and I'll see you guys next time.